So hello my friends, today you are here with me in the nature. I really wanted to make this to bring you with me to the nature, and today I thought it's perfect time to do it, because not everyone have this opportunity to go to the nature and to the forest, and I have that opportunity. So today you can enjoy the nature with me. I'm shaking because I'm excited of this, and I'm not that away from everyone. I'm just nearby. I'm just near my village. So I don't know what to say because I'm excited. Well, so you can enjoy this with me, and it is not a green screen or something. It's a real world. Like, I have branches there, see, and I can throw it away. I'm in nature. Look. Well, I'm worried that I made my place in another end place, so right now I'm standing on ends, so I will be probably jumping soon. So probably you will hear some wind noises and some airplanes, or I don't know what is it. Sorry for that, but I will try to go deeper into the forest next time. But I was really tired because I was walking. Well, I was a little bit tired because I was walking 30 minutes to go there, and with a lot of equipment and tripods, and it is heavy. So I made my place to relax a little bit. Also, you can relax to the sound of the nature that I love, because as I said, some people don't have this opportunity to go outside into the nature. So enjoy this. I will enjoy this too. Hopefully we won't meet bear, because last year I met one right here and we met each other like we was like 10 meters away from each other, so it was close. And it's nature. There live a lot of wild animals, and also some domestic animals. As you can hear, there are, I don't know, sheep or cows with bells. So hopefully you will like it now. I don't know how it sounds right now because I don't have headphones. I have them right there, but they are unplugged. So I just really love sometimes to sit and relax and listen to this quiet. It's not like quiet when you are in house and somewhere in basement and it's quiet, but this is nature quiet and that I love. So it's a little bit darker. I will brighten it a little bit. Okay. So now I will talk in Slovak language for my Slovak friends. And you can relax. Then I will shut up, be quiet, and you can relax. Čiže, ako som už po anglicky povedal, až sa chvejem z toho, aký som nadšený, že som sem dneska mohol prísť a dovliecť sem všetko, čo som chcel. Čiže kameru, mikrofóny a podeliť sa s vami o toto, čo mám tak rád, teda o les, o horu, o prírodu. A zatiaľ nie som tak ďaleko od dediny, nakoľko všetek toto nárade, čo som zo sebou obliekol, bolo dosť ťažké a tak som sa sem posadil rovno do prameniska. Áno. Rovno do mraveniska, aby ste si mohli užiť toto ticho. Lebo už ako som povedal po anglicky, nie každý má možnosť ísť do prírody a počúvať toto prírodné ticho, nie je takéto ticho, ako keď ste doma v pivnici zavretí. A tak. Čiže ja sa teraz, povedzme, na 5 minút vzdialím, aby ste si mohli užiť iba to čisté ticho. Potom sa zahráme s nejakými trávami a potom ešte niečo porozprávame a tak. Čiže zatiaľ sa vzdialím alebo si sadnem mimo kameru a vy si môžete užiť tieto muchy, čo tu bzíkajú všade naokolo. Okay, so now I will go away from a view and I will be quiet for, I don't know, 5 minutes, and then we will play a little bit with the nature triggers and then we will see. Okay, so I will go away to get rid of the ants. So, I'm back. I found some hazelnuts, so hopefully they will be good to eat. And hopefully you are enjoying this. So let's see. It's there. So okay, who want hazelnut? I want. I love hazelnut. Another one. Yes. So another hazelnut. Who want? You want? No, that's for me. You have to find yours. So, as I said, let's do some classic ASMR things, like, I don't know, like playing with something. So, it's windy, quiet, but hopefully it's good. It sounds good. I don't know. I don't think we need any more words. I'm enjoying this nature sounds myself. I hope you do too. And I'm really thinking that I will pack everything and I will go further into the forest or woods. In Slovak language we say les, hora, and this is luka. And nature is príroda. So, nature, príroda. Les, forest. Or hora. Luka, príroda. So let me know in the comments if you like this, or if you like to go into the nature, or if you don't have that opportunity to go into the nature and enjoy this. Actually, again, airplane. Sorry for that, but you know. Also let me know in the comments what do you think about this video. If you want to hear more, or what sounds do you like most? Just quiet, or me talking, or maybe playing with grass, or I don't know, whatever. I will be happy as always to read every of your comments. So, hopefully the sound is okay. Still okay. Because when I started, it was good. I'm starting to feel the ants everywhere. But that's okay. I really want more hazelnuts. Let me know if you like hazelnuts. So, that's it for today. I will pack everything. Hopefully it don't look good. It looks like it's gonna rain. So we will see. Have a beautiful day, my friends. Everyone. Hopefully you like this and enjoy your life. Enjoy your nature. Be good to your nature. And we will see in the next video.